Let's learn together a very important lesson in English, which is verb to be. Let's learn together firstly what a verb is. A verb means an action that we do. For example, jump, eat, run, sleep. All these are examples. But what if I wanted to say my name, to describe or to say my place? Here we can use verb to be. Verb to be is used in order to say the names, to describe, or to say the place. But how can I form a sentence using verb to be? So be is the base form or the infinitive, and to use this verb we have to make some changes. With the pronoun I, we change be into am. With he or she or it, we change be into is. With you, we, and they, we change be into are. Let's take some examples. I am Laura. I am tall. I'm in the house. And the short form of I am is I am, and we say it quickly, I'm Laura, I'm tall, and so on. He is Mark. He is angry, and he is at school. The short form of he is his. So I say his Mark, his tall, and so on. Let's talk about the girl. She is a student. She is cute. She is in the classroom. And the short form of she is shiz. She's a student, she's cute, and so on. Let's talk about the cat. I say it is a cat. It is gray. It is on the floor. And the short form of it is its. If I'm talking to you, I say you are a student. Or if I'm talking to all of you, I say you are students. You are good. You are in the class. And the short form of you are is you were. Let's move on to all of us. So I say we are happy, we are teachers, and we are at home. The short form is we are. So I say we are happy, and so on. If I'm talking about them here, I say they. They are students. They are happy. They are Linda, Karen, and Joe. The short form is they are. This is all about the positive form of verb to be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.